CIO Whisper. Across the world, a silent storm is reshaping industries and careers. Thousands of professionals have already faced job cuts as companies scramble to adapt. This is not the future. It's happening right now. Entire departments downsized overnight. Development projects shelved. Dreams put on indefinite hold. Even tech giants are freezing increments and forcing mass layoffs. The shockwaves are spreading fast, IT today, other industries tomorrow. Even now, as headlines highlight mass layoffs and uncertainty, the future feels unpredictable for many. Yet history offers a quiet counterpoint. Decades ago, when computers first arrived in offices, people worried those new and mechanical brains would take their jobs. But as it turned out, that fear proved largely unfounded. Only a handful of jobs disappeared, and entirely new industries and roles blossomed. Today, the AI revolution is at a crossroads too. But remember, a solution is coming. Stay tuned, because soon we'll explore how you can adapt and thrive. Fear often arrives before great change. History proves it. Computers sparked massive anxiety. People feared widespread unemployment. Today, artificial intelligence has become the new turning point. Careers, industries, entire economies are feeling the tremors. Back in the early days of computing, people feared losing jobs to machines. Yet history showed technology created more opportunities than it destroyed. Could AI be writing a similar story today? Tell us, do you see AI as a threat or a new beginning? History shows those who embrace change emerged as pioneers. Today, you and I stand at a similar crossroads. Artificial intelligence isn't just about survival. It's about transformation. And in the next moments, we'll reveal how you can future-proof your career and turn disruption into your biggest opportunity. Across global tech corridors, projects are being shelved, budgets slashed, and teams quietly downsized. Not because of bad code, but because AI is doing what humans once did, and faster. But here's what few realize. This is just the beginning. In top boardrooms and quiet strategy huddles, one conversation keeps coming up: compliance with emerging AI regulations. It's no longer just about, can we do this? It's becoming, are we allowed to? While the world chases AI breakthroughs, something quieter is reshaping careers. Not just new tools, but new rules. Regulations. Some made by governments. Some inside your company. Others buried in your industry's fine print. While some roles fade, others are surging in demand, quietly but undeniably. Cybersecurity analysts, AI trainers, prompt engineers, cloud architects, roles that didn't exist a decade ago are now critical. The demand is outpacing supply, especially in roles requiring systems thinking, security awareness, and AI deployment experience. Those who understand this shift and act now can pivot into careers that are not only safe, but future-proof. If you're in IT and wondering what to do next, start with this. Deepen your technical foundation. AI may be the flash, but strong fundamentals in data structures, systems design, and algorithms. That's the fire. In a world of generative tools, those who understand the engine will still drive the future. The first move in your AI-driven career pivot: deepen your technical core. But not just any skills. Focus on data pipelines, cloud architecture, API integration, and system design thinking. The world doesn't need more coders. It needs problem solvers who can architect AI-ready ecosystems. Step 2. Master the tools of the future. It's no longer enough to know the theory. Learn how to prompt LLMs. Build with low-code AI platforms. Analyze data with AI copilots. This is how you evolve from IT to intelligent transformation. Your portfolio isn't just a collection. It's proof. Build case studies around real-world problems. Create end-to-end AI workflows. Include design, data handling, model tuning, and output validation. Let it scream, "I can deliver." Security and cloud aren't optional anymore, they are foundational. Show you understand DevSecOps, cloud-native AI, and privacy compliance. Integrate AI responsibly into secure infrastructures. This builds trust. And trust builds careers. In an AI-first world, your soft skills are hard currency. Communication, collaboration, curiosity, creativity. These are your differentiators. They amplify your technical skills. They make you lead, not follow. Technical skills may get you the interview, but soft skills land you the role. Communication, empathy, decision-making, and adaptability are now AI-proof differentiators. These skills can't be automated. In this AI-powered era, adaptability isn't optional, it's survival. Stay current. Learn in real time. Adjust fast, because the future doesn't wait. In the AI-driven enterprise, compliance isn't a checkbox. It's a core skill. IT leaders must now grasp regulatory nuances, security frameworks, and audit-aligned development. The future demands it. In today's AI-first landscape, understanding compliance is non-negotiable. GDPR, a General Data Protection Regulation. EU AI Act, Europe's AI Regulation Framework. Algorithmic Accountability Act, US AI Oversight Proposal. HIPAA, Health Data Privacy in the United States. But regulations don't stop there. SOC 2, Service Organization Control for Data Handling. ISO, IEC 27001, Global Information Security Framework. FINRA, US Financial Industry Oversight. FDA AI Validation, Medical AI and Device Regulations in the US. In today's AI-integrated enterprise, cybersecurity compliance isn't optional. NIST, the gold standard for risk frameworks. CIS controls, prioritized safeguards for cyber defense. Zero Trust, the new perimeter model. MITRE ATT and CK are mapping adversary behavior to response. FedRAMP, US Cloud Security Standard. PCI DSS, Payment Industry Data Protection. COBIT, Governance for Enterprise IT. Cloud Security Alliance, Global Cloud Risk Standards. Compliance is no longer just a checkbox, it's a strategic layer of leadership. Everything from GDPR and HIPAA to SOC 2 and NIST now lives in the same strategic stack. Security frameworks like Zero Trust and MITRE ATT and CK are baked right into executive accountability. This convergence is the new blueprint for compliance-first innovation. Your edge in the AI era won't come from code alone. Soft skills, like emotional intelligence and strategic thinking, are irreplaceable. As AI automates logic, it's your human edge that becomes invaluable. Sharpen it. Lead with it. In a world ruled by algorithms, human empathy isn't outdated. It's the competitive edge tech alone can't replicate. Communication, creativity, collaboration, they're your secret weapons. Pair them with AI, and you're unstoppable. The world is adapting to AI governance. The question is, will you lead or lag behind? Your future isn't just about AI, it's about how you align with it. AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing the unprepared and rewarding those who adapt. So the question isn't if you pivot, it's how fast you do it. This is CIO Whisper. The future's moving fast. Subscribe for future-proof insights or get left behind. CIO Whisper.